No, Inbox Path is a separate program that you can get that you can buy from Builderall, and it allows you to run your email list through it so you can clean your email list, meaning you're trying to find emails that are invalid so you can get rid of them, emails that are bouncing so you can get rid of them, so that when you move those emails into MailingBoss, it's a good list, it's a clean list. And you know that when you start sending your emails out, they're actually going to be delivered. So that's what Inbox Path does, is it cleans your email list so that when you put it in MailingBoss, it's ready to go. Okay?
All right, thanks. Yeah, I just bought it.
Yeah, it's really handy for people that have large lists, and maybe they haven't maintained their list very much, so they may have some old emails that are no good anymore. And rather than take an email list that has 5,000 people and put it straight into MailingBoss and then not get a good delivery rate, it's better to run it through Inbox Path and let that be cleaned up. And so that 5,000 email list may go down to about 4,000, but at least now you know that there was 1,000 bad emails in there and you don't need to put them in MailingBoss. Now you can just put the 4,000 and you'll have a much better delivery rate. Inbox Path is fabulous, and if you haven't seen it yet, it's actually on the affiliate marketplace. And if you've got lists of your own that you need clean, you've collected lists over the years, and maybe you know, it's maintaining a list is hard, right? Getting rid of the old stuff and keep putting the fresh new stuff in. Inbox Path helps you keep it clean. But the other thing it does is you have the ability to run through up to 10,000 emails a month, I think. So if you run your list through and you clean your own list, you can actually contract out and have people pay you to clean their lists. So it's actually a way to make money too. And I think it's just a one-time fee of $100. So check it out. That's another money-making thing from Builderall.